皆さん、こんにちは。みーさチャンネル、資格ハンター編です。最新の英語ニュースを読み上げますので、英語の試験勉強やスキルアップにご活用ください。
Japan begins workplace vaccination program. By VOA News. June 21st, 2021, 5:21 a.m. Employees of the beverage maker Suntory register to receive shots of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine at their office building as the company began its workplace vaccination, June 21, 2021, in Tokyo. Thousands of Japanese companies began the rollout of their workplace vaccine programs Monday, inoculating company workers and their families. Some of the companies had been critical of what they said was the government's slow pace of Japan's COVID-19 inoculation campaign. Toyota and Suntory are among the companies participating in the workplace program with vaccines provided by the government. Thousands of people are expected to receive shots through the workplace initiative. The start of the workplace program comes just weeks before the opening of the Tokyo Olympics. In India, the Health Ministry reported 53,256 new COVID cases Monday in the previous 24-hour period, the lowest daily number in 88 days, or about 3 months. Taiwan recorded its lowest number of new COVID-19 infections since May 15. Health officials announced 75 new infections Monday. Sunday, Taiwan received 2.5 million COVID-19 vaccines from the United States. There are more than 178 million global COVID infections as of Monday, according to the Johns Hopkins Coronavirus Resource Center. The U.S. has the most with 33.5 million, while Brazil has 18 million. Brazil became the second country, behind the United States, to record more than 500,000 COVID-19 deaths, a health ministry official said Saturday. Health Minister Marcelo Quiroga tweeted, 500,000 lives lost due to the pandemic that affects our Brazil and the world, according to the Agence France Presse. The third wave is arriving. There's already a change in the case and death curves, Ethel Maciel, an epidemiologist from Espírito Santo University, told AFP. Our vaccination program, which could make a difference, is slow and there are no signs of restrictive measures, quite the contrary. Britain held its first full music festival since all mass events were cancelled in March of last year, the start of the pandemic. About 10,000 fans attended a 3-day download festival held at Dunnington Park in central England. The event, which ended on Sunday, featured 40 UK-based bands. All of those who attended, which was only about a tenth of the festival's pre-pandemic audience, were required to take COVID-19 tests before the event. Neither masks nor social distancing protocols was required, event organizers said. Britain has recorded nearly 128,000 COVID-19 related deaths, the fourth most in the world, and the worst in Europe. It also ranks 7th in the number of confirmed cases of the coronavirus, with 4.6 million. Last week, Prime Minister Boris Johnson delayed by 4 weeks a planned lifting of coronavirus-related restrictions. The restrictions were set to be lifted Monday, but will now run through July 19. Britain is battling the highly contagious Delta variant of the virus, which was first identified in India.
以上で、今回のみーさチャンネルは終了です。最後までご視聴いただきまして、ありがとうございました。よろしければ、高評価とチャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。